Hi everyone, this is Soumya, and in today's video I'm going to be making a unique wall hanging. It's a very simple and quick video and you'll find it interesting. So let's get started from the beginning. To make this DIY wall hanging, I took two mats. So one of this is a floor mat. It is from IKEA and it was for around $6 or something. And this placemat is probably it's from Walmart. I'm going to stick this placemat over the floor mat. It's actually a floor rug, you can say. So I'm going to stick it on that with my hot glue gun. I want to place it in the center of the floor mat. After pasting the placemat at the center of the floor mat, I'm pasting this burlap lace at the border of the placemat. Now at the center of this placemat, I'm going to trace a Buddha stencil with my Crafters Workshop modeling paste. This is how it looks afterwards. So I also pasted some pom-pom and I also pasted these tassels which I had made myself, and there's a video in which I actually did a tutorial on how to make tassels, so I will be providing you the link of that video as well. I hung some macrame at the rear end of the floor rug, and I have only hot glued everything. I have not stitched anything in this wall hanging, and I'll also be providing you the link to these wooden beads which are hung at the sides. I wanted to record the step-by-step procedure of how I make this, but I could not as my phone camera, something went wrong with it, so I could not record it completely, but I've pretty much told you all the details. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more interesting videos for you. Till then, take care and bye-bye.